Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video with creating Cynthia. Okay, on today's video we are going to make this very beautiful bow. Hey guys, so for size references, if you haven't got a ruler, it's fine, I got you. So I'm gonna grab like an A4 paper, okay? So I've got mine here, and you are going to fold it in half, okay? In half, okay? Like so. This is the template that you need, okay? Free template. That's the size of the bow, okay? Yeah, it's gonna come down to this size, don't worry. Okay guys, after you are done figuring out your pattern and your fabric of choice, you are going to turn the my side of the fabric facing the table and fold 1 centimeter, like so. You can pin it, iron it, or even glue it if you want to. Now let's sew very close to the edge, like this, both sides, don't forget. I'm going to skip this and fast forward this part because I know damn well that you don't want to see this. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that you know how to sew a straight line. Well, if you don't, we have a problem. Yeah, we do have a problem. But guys, this video is going to be very quick, easy steps to follow until the end, so make sure you watch it until the end, okay? It's only 3 minutes after all. Fold it in half, like so. Look at the picture guys, right side facing right side. The next step is to sew 1 centimeter seam allowance. Then open up the seam allowance like this. Okay, then inside out. Alright, okay, are you following? You are going to have a smaller rectangle. Make sure the seam allowance are centered in the middle and pinch the fabric like this. Finally, you got to mulch the seam allowance like so. Bring them towards the center and secure it in place with some pins. Okay guys, so now get your needle and thread, okay, and inserting in. Yeah, I'm an expert by now. So we've got like our bow here, okay, got the bow here, and then needle and thread, okay, and you're gonna go like so. This is our bow almost done. The next step will depend. First of all, you need to choose which one, like which side you like best, which side you like to use on your project. I quite like this side better. And yeah, I'm gonna get my piece of fabric and I am going to cut it accordingly, fold it, sew it, and place it in place. Okay, so okay guys, so here you can make it according to your liking. I decided to cut it short and use it as an accessory. That's the final result. So that's it guys, this is the end of the video. I hope that you liked it, I hope that you did, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Press the like, go and watch my other videos, so give me that support, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Very beautiful and cute, isn't it? Oh my god.